Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you for joining the family. Today we're going to be creating another look. I kind of have an idea of what I want to create, but I don't know, we're just going to see how it goes. And please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Most of the people that watch my videos do not subscribe. Please help us grow this baby right here. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. If you do enjoy my videos, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. So yeah, let's head straight to today's video. My face is already moisturized and I also have my sunscreen on already, so we're just going to go right into highlighting as per usual with my Gleam by Melanie in the shade Deep Gold. How have you guys been? How have you guys been coping with this whole thing going on? Man, for me it's not that bad, to be honest, because I'm actually used to being home and I enjoy staying at home, so this is just like every normal day for me. Besides me going to the grocery, I used to look forward to going to the grocery store during the weekends. That's the only difference. But besides that, I'm doing okay, to be honest. I'm not even mad about the holiday. By force holiday that everyone is having, I'm not mad about it at all. So today I just felt like filming, and I don't know, I've been hesitating to film because if you guys remember from my last video, I said I was breaking out because of the vitamins that I started to take. So I've been hesitating to film because anytime I see all of this on my face, it just stresses me out. And I don't know, but I was feeling inspired today, so I'm like, okay, we're just going to ignore them ugly babies all over here and just see what we can do today. So yeah, we're here. I'm going to move on to prime with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop primer. As much as I'm not mad at the by force holiday that everyone has, I'm just over it, to be honest, because I'm over all the things I see on social media. I'm over not being able to go do grocery. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline foundation in the shade Deep Bronze. I feel like at this point, you guys already know the products that I'm going to be using if you already watch my videos. My skin has been going through it, and this is the roughest that my skin has ever been. So I'm not about to go and start trying like new stuff that I'm not used to. I just want to like keep it with things that I already know that works for me, because I don't know, my skin reacts to everything these days. But I'm actually going to be trying out some new products pretty soon. When, I don't know, but I will try to try out some new stuff. Going back in with my setting powder just to furthermore brighten the brow bone. So I want a pop of color in front. I'm going to go in with this Zaron Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. Zaron Cosmetics is a Nigerian owned brand, and I'm not sure even if they have this palette anymore because it's been very long since I had it. I'm just going to be using this shade right here. I'm going to be going in with my NYX Jumbo pencil in milk because I want the blue right there to pop and it wasn't showing up as I wanted to, so I'm going to go in with this. I'm going in with the blue now, and I'm using a small brush, a small eyeshadow brush to apply that. Can you guys see how the blue eyeshadow just transformed everything? I'm going to go on to blend the powder under my eyes. Yeah. I don't know what you guys saw last. My camera went off and I didn't realize that my camera was actually off. So all I did was just add the same eyeshadows that I use on top at the bottom as well. I'm going to move on to lashes, and I'm going to be using those lashes that I got off AliExpress. I just realized I didn't remember to set all over my face with my powder. How I forgot, I don't know. But I'm just going to quickly go in and do that right now. I'm going to be using my Loreal Infallible powder in the shade Cocoa. I'm going in with my rose water from Garnier, and I'm going to use this all over my face. Going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold. I'm going to go over that with the highlighter in the Black Radiance contour palette that I used earlier. Going into my e.l.f. blush palette, I'm going to be using this brown shade right here. Am I the only one that has noticed that people have been using more of blushes than of highlighters lately? You guys remember when it was blinding highlighters that was trending? Now, I feel like it's more of blinding blushes that I've been seeing all over Instagram, and I'm here for it because you guys already know how I feel about blushes. I'm going to be lining my lips with my ABH brow pomade in the shade Chocolate. Chocolata. You guys already know it's gonna be nude lips because, hello, what is life without nude lips? With this nameless palette that I got off AliExpress, is a lipstick palette. I'm going to be using this shade right here. I'm going to be glossing it because obviously, guys, you guys already know me. You already know it has to be glossy lips. I'm going to be using this clear lip gloss that I got from the hair store. We're done, and I'm just going to go get my hair together and I'll be right back with you guys. That pretty much brings us to the end of today's video. Please do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed. Drop nice comments, and please subscribe to this channel. Help us grow this baby this year. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.